everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Here I am about to share the topic of the day. Today in our series of emotion part 2, we will dig into a child's emotion. What he or she is going through when since a year now child is home locked. So stay with us till the end as we are going to uncover the soulful loneliness. My dear friends, after a long time, I was thinking of a pencil sketching. And what could be a better application than this topic? Here we can see a little girl sitting alone with her pet. Books piled up and flowers are falling out. Where is the girl looking? Why is the pet also sad? What are they looking for? What emotion exactly they are going through? Until late 2019, they used to spend their days in constant interaction with friends, teachers, family and neighbors. And then the coronavirus disease, this pandemic struck. To prevent the spread the virus, communities around the world have temporarily closed schools, childcare centers, school programs, camps, playgrounds and everything. Many families are staying at home or practicing social distancing, limiting kids' ability to spend time in person with friends and family. For children and adolescents, these changes are understandably causing feelings of loneliness. All of us is more concerned about child's education, study and all. Schools are piling up the online classes, works, but surprisingly there is no class to lighten up the young minds or just a class so that they can interact with their friends, so that they can talk, they can free their mind. Or on the other hand, parents, a mother or a father who is home working, mostly are home working now, and having hardly any time for the child. Even to the fact, a child who is a shy or introvert, how will he or she overcome? How will he or she say what are they going through? Oh Lord, do we really look at their face? It is not that this emotion, loneliness or aloneness is same or loneliness is always aching. For example, just saying that we walked up the steep bank of the river and took a path that skirted the green wheat fields. There were large patches of garden, sweet peas deliciously scenting the air. The birds are settling down for the night and a large pond was beginning to reflect the stars. Nature was not communicative that evening. A few chattering villagers passed by on their bicycles. And once again there was deep silence, that peace which comes when all the things are alone. This aloneness is not aching, fearsome or loneliness. It is the aloneness of being. It is uncorrupted, rich, complete. The tamarind tree has no existence other than being itself. So, is this aloneness? One is alone, like the fire, like the flower. But one is not aware of its purity, of its immensity. One can truly communicate only when there is aloneness. Aloneness is indivisible and loneliness is separation. That is why aching. That which is alone is pliable and so enduring. Only the alone can communicate with that which is causeless, which is immeasurable. To the alone, life is eternal. To the alone, there is no death. The alone can never cease to be. Well, that was a lot of chatter today. A night bird just flew by, silently. Someone began to sing on the other bank of the wide river, but his words are so clear. Again, all pervading aloneness of life. But don't be lonely. Don't forget about that little girl and the little boy. The one who is a little bit lonely now and just waiting to be discharged from this wide and long, soulful, lonely holiday. thoughts about this series of emotion part 2, My Soulful Loneliness? Let us know in the comment section about your thoughts, feedbacks or any suggestions. We will keep discovering new art forms of new places and unknown facts. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about different art forms and the stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. We wish you a fantastic week ahead. Bye bye. Take care.